हाय हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम हरप्रीत सिंह भाटिया है। तो मैं बेसिकली इंडिया टीम को बिलोंग करता हूँ। आई हैव बीन वर्किंग इन एनटेक फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 15 years now. So we are very proud to showcase you the new product range of EdTech in the Q-Tex 2025 from right away from Taiwan. So let's start. अगर आप देखोगे तो आपके सामने ये नॉक्चो एडिशन का कैबिनेट है। Basically it's a Flux Pro platform जो कि हमारा EdTech का one of the unique and one of the newest segment है। The best part is we are kind of with Noctua, which is one of the first kind of collaboration in a case with Noctua. अगर आपने देखा होगा collaboration Noctua के साथ आपका AIO में है, GPU में है, but in the case EdTech is one of the first brand to do a collaboration with Noctua. So it is a fully performance ventilation case. Next, अगर आप देखोगे we have the P180, which is one of the oldest case, जिसको हमने दोबारा से retro launch किया है with a new design and the new specification. It's a full tower case that can support up to 200 millimeter fan. Moving forward, अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो case है, which is a Performance One F, which is a mini ITX case in a vertical format. This is all aluminum case for compact builds. Going forward, अगर आप यहाँ पे आओगे तो this is one of the legendary cases we have 10 to 15 years back, EdTech 900. The legend about this case is that it is known for a feature-rich case, which was like 200 millimeter fan. अगर आप इसमें देखोगे तो यहाँ पे फ्रंट में भी आपको 200 millimeters के दो फैन दिखेंगे, which is one of the type जो आज के टाइम में बहुत कम ब्रांड्स पे ऑप्शन आपको मिलेगा। इसमें आपको 4 कलर ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे, ग्रीन, मैट ब्लैक, ग्लॉसी ब्लैक, and this one is the purple and the light blue version. That's it. Going ahead, we have here the new AIO from EdTech. It's one of the flagship AIOs in the industry at the moment. अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे अगर आप इसमें look now, so you can see there is a 5-inch LCD panel on the display, which you can move around and आप इसका layout भी change कर सकते हैं. So it's a 360 millimeter AIO, which comes into 2 colors, black and white, and it has a TDP of 300 watts, which is sufficient enough for all that DRX4 and DRX5 AMD sockets and all other high-end CPU to So I think let's move on to the power supply that we have. हमने EdTech में अभी एक नई सीरीज पावर सप्लाई को लॉन्च की है, which is a signature series, and in that we have 2500 watts and 2200 watts, which is again top of the line, made from C-Solid. This is 80 plus platinum, ATX 3.1 and PCI Gen 5 5.1 ready, and this is the top of the line power supply supporting all the high-end requirements. So overall, if you see, in EdTech, we are coming up with all the high performance full tower cases, plus the high performance AIOs, plus the power supply. So in EdTech, we are moving forward with all the high-end gaming components that one needs for their PCs. Last but not least, we will go to the one of the Princess motor. This is the high quality. So this is the new version of EdTech HS4, which is like a Core Micro. If you see Android-based Core Micro handheld, and it comes into 3 different colors. It's like a retro gaming, mobile gaming. अगर आपको करना है तो if you are into it, you can use it. Very easy to carry, very easy to understand, very easy to play. Because it's an Android-based version. अगर आपको इसके Big Brother पे जाना है तो you can go with this AIO, which is like HS4, AMD Ryzen 7 8840, and it is loaded with Windows 11. तो अगर आपको हर तरह का कंप्यूटिंग भी करना है, plus you want to do some mobile gaming, you can do it very well with this. And last, we have the builds of C8 Curve 4, fully built, and Flux Pro. You also saw the Flux Pro Noctua edition. So this is it from EdTech. Guys, thank you very much.
For more information visit, please www.ancia.online.net. For more